My name is Kevin Brackmeyer, and I'm the proud executive director of Skillpoint Alliance. Skillpoint was created in 1994 at the request of then Mayor Bruce Todd in response to the lack of apprenticeship programs here in Austin. You'll remember way back when we were trying to build an airport and there was a lack of skilled trades, and so he urged the development of a training organization, which at that time was called the Capital Area Training Foundation. And we've evolved over the last 25 years into Skillpoint Alliance. Throughout Skillpoint's history, we have offered training in a variety of skilled trades, including electrical, plumbing, HVAC, construction, and in the healthcare industry. Throughout our history, Skillpoint's primary goal has been laser focus on closing the poverty gap and helping Central Texans embark on a successful career. And what is really important to know is that we truly meet our students wherever they are in their lives. And we mold them, we encourage them, we coach them, we instill an unwavering mentality to persist, and ultimately we train them to enter a new field in the skilled trades that connects them to a pathway to a middle skilled or even a higher paying job. We like to say here at Skillpoint that we provide our students a gateway to a hope and a future. So I just again want to congratulate you guys for getting through this program, and we're really excited for you. But none of this would be possible without the incredible support of many folks who are here today in this room. And so at this time, I'd like to ask Mayor Pro Tem Delia Garza to come up and say a few words.
Good morning. Congratulations. I'm Delia Garza, I'm the Mayor Pro Tem, but I also represent District 2, which is Southeast Austin. It's my 5th year on the council. Most of the people in my district don't come from wealthy or privileged families, neither did I. But they worked hard and they've earned everything they have, and they don't take anything for granted. That's why opportunities like the training here at Skillpoint Alliance are so valuable for them, just as they have been for you. We are living in a very non-traditional time, and so I feel like in these ways non-traditional has become more traditional. And so I know that there are challenges that our working families face, that our Latinos and our African American communities face. And it's so great to see partnerships like all the ones here at Texas Capital Bank. Thank you for your investment. To hear the history and how the city of Austin has continued to invest in this program and invest in our families, because one of my goals as representing the most highly concentrated Hispanic district, we are 70% Hispanic in District 2, has been to make sure that not another African American or Hispanic family has to leave Austin because they don't feel like they can afford to live here anymore. And so we face so many challenges on the council, and we try to do so much, and without all the partners in this room, we couldn't do these things. We can't do it all from the city budget, and so very grateful for the private, public partnerships that we're allowed to build here. Congratulations, and thank you for your hard work.
At this time, I'd like to bring up the new Director of Economic Development, Veronica Briseno.
Thank you all for having me today. I am very new to the Economic Development Department. I've been here since August 1, but not new to the City of Austin. I've worked for the city for over 20 years. Thank you for letting me share in your success. This is an important day for you. It is important for us at the city. We've had a partnership for over 2 decades, and so that partnership is important to us and will continue to be an important partnership for us. But I know that it takes time and effort and personal sacrifice to make the commitment to investing in yourself, so congratulations to you. For the city and for economic development, it's important to us that economic success is enjoyed by all Austinites, and programs like this really help us do that. Workforce development is one of the top priorities for our city council, so much so that it was identified in our strategic plan for 2023, and this is an example of how we can start working towards that priority. So we wish you the best. We know that you'll be successful moving forward. I'd like to thank Skillpoint, first of all, for providing this needed service, also to Texas Capital Bank for their financial support, but also to the employers who are hiring our graduates. Thank you for forward to what you have in store in your future. We look forward to working with you. Austin's got a lot of growth, a lot of good things going for ourselves, and we know that you're going to be a part of that. So thank you and congratulations.
I'd like to introduce Skillpoint's board chair, Melanie Flowers. Melanie has a real strong passion for workforce development, and she's been a strong advocate for the work that we do and connecting us. She works diligently every day to try to make changes in our community and that benefit our students. And she's been at Samsung for quite some time, and and so we're excited that she's our board chair, and so come on up and say a few words.
Thank you very much, Kevin. Again, I'm very excited to be here and in this moment with our graduates from our revamped class, our pilot class, so I'm excited for you and your future. As Kevin mentioned, I've been part of the Skillpoint board for a little over a year now, and getting involved, my excitement is increasing for what we can do and what our future holds. Skillpoint, as you know, has been an active member of the Workforce Community Plan, and the things that we're doing are to continuously adapt to meet the goals of the plan as well as the needs of our students and our employers. So this ecosystem that's forming is very exciting to me because, you know, I work for Samsung, it's a high-tech company, right? A leads to B, leads to C, leads to D. So when something's missing, I got to find that gap. We got to fill that gap and do that. And creating these partnerships and strategic alliances with support from Texas Capital and the City of Austin, things like that make this work, right? We have a goal, but if not everybody's participating and not everybody's involved that needs to be involved, we can never achieve those goals. So identifying the needs of our students, meeting the needs of our employers, which makes our community better, everybody wins, right? So we appreciate the support of Texas Capital Bank and the city because, again, your generous support allows us to foster and be a part of this ecosystem that we're trying to create with our community. I'm excited about our future. This is my first year as board chair, so I'm looking to take it to another level. Thank you, staff, for keeping up, because I'm like already in 2025. But I'm very excited about this, and as Kevin mentioned, I'm very passionate about workforce development and community impact. So again, congratulations, and thank you all for coming.
Next person I'd like to introduce, Chris Rios. I met Chris a couple of years ago, and I will tell you something about Chris. He's a real strong passion for workforce development and helping people change their lives and how that connects, and really being a significant effector of that. And so he and I started talking about this skilled trades classroom next door, and Chris really got really jazzed about it, and he was like, how can we make something that can really make a difference in this community and allow us to offer more programming? And he was really in support of it and really strongly helping me kind of map it out and work through it and draw it out and all that kind of stuff. And so I really, really appreciate Chris, because he is engaged, he really is, and that's the kind of folks that we need to help us get this work done. So Chris, come on up and say a few words.
Our mission at Texas Capital Bank, we have a saying, we try to power prosperity in business and in life. And we really value these partnerships with organizations that truly do some amazing work. Really excited about the new instructional space. Kevin moved into this office and he was trying to figure out how to maximize space. Entrepreneurial spirit that we have at our bank is like, okay, what can we do? So we enjoy that. We hope you enjoy the new learning environment. We hope to see many hundreds of people go through it in the coming years and connecting them to jobs. To the class, you all are considered gods where I come from. People that can really take care of the homes, make sure we got water, make sure we're getting power. That's important to communities. So you are truly the backbone, and we wish you great success in your future.